Hi there, welcome back. In this lesson, we will see SSMEMB function in action. SSMEMB is very straightforward. It just returns the entity name if the object being verified is a member of the selection set. If not, then it just returns nil. Let's say, for example, we have a selection set. Let's try selecting these 5 objects. Now let's select one object and verify if it's a member in the selection set. So let's say E1, and let's use the car up and cell. Let's say we select this text and verify if, let's say, is it a member of the selection set. Let's say E1A SSMEMB, the entity name which is E1, and the selection set. Yes, it is a member because it returns the entity name. Let's say we delete the object. Let's say E1A, that's the text, gone. Now if we list out our selection set, we just have 4. Okay, so let's say we select another object and verify if that object is in the selection set or not. Let's try selecting the dimension this time. Car and cell. Let's select this dimension. It is not in our selection set, so let's verify. Let's say E2A SSMEMB E2 selection set, nil. So our E2A is nothing, it's nil. Okay, so that's just about the SSMEMB function. Very simple to use. One example usage of SSMEMB is when you are looping through the selection set and you are validating the objects for a certain criteria by checking if that particular object is in the selection set or not, then you can apply the necessary logic to your process. In the next lesson, we will see SS name in action, and I'll see you in the next video.